Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Miyerkules, September 11, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 14 and 16 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 6, 2, and 9 in exact order. Sa 4D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 5, 1, 6, and 0 in exact order, with a minimum guaranteed price of 10,000 pesos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 4D Lotto, second prize, and third prize for the corresponding numbers. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers ay 41, 14, 9, 23, 4, and 13 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 40,473,978 pesos and 80 centavos. Sa Grand Lotto 655, ang winning numbers ay 15, 9, 30, 52, 49, and 14 in any order, with a jackpot price of 29,700,000 pesos. Abangan natin bukas ang Lotto 642 na may 6 million. Super Lotto 649 na may 45 million. Lotto schedule ngayong Huwebes, Easy to Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 6D Lotto, Lotto 642, and Super Lotto 649. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.